Hello. In this video, you will learn to perform automatic data profiling and study the results using X88 Pandora. Double-click the Pandora icon to start the Pandora application. I'm going to profile the 4 delimited files which are on my desktop. First, I need to send these files to the Pandora server import area. One way to achieve this is to drag the files onto the drill-down area of the Pandora interface and click Yes. I'm now going to use the load wizard to profile these files. From the list of possible data formats, I double-click on delimited files in order to view the list of files available to me. Use the same load wizard to view and select tables from relational databases. On this screen, it is also possible to send files to the import area using the copy button. I use the mouse to choose all 4 files and click on Next. And I'm going to associate these files with the source system where they come from by choosing a schema from the default schema drop-down box. Since these are the first data files from the sales system, I need to create a schema for them using the Create New option. I can preview the data and set various load parameters by selecting a table from the list and clicking on Next. For now, I will simply accept the default parameters and click the Load button in order to automatically analyze these files. Pandora will now read or extract the data, automatically analyze it, and finally store the derived profile and the actual data in its own high-performance repository. We refer to this whole process quite simply as loading. It is also possible to preview and load files and tables by selecting external data on the Pandora Explorer. Click on Database Tables followed by the database name to see the list of available tables. Click right on a table to start the load wizard or simply preview the data. Click on the icon beside the database name to see a table summary. From now on, everything you see is coming directly from Pandora's own repository. Pandora never needs to access the source files or databases again. Pandora proactively provides us with table and column profile information. Using the Explorer, I navigate to the information about the customer table by going down through Pandora Database, then Schemas, then Sales System. Single-click on the Rows icon to instantly view all the table data. Derived information is available from the Explorer on the left. The number of records, the number of columns which appear to be unique keys. Right-click on Columns and choose Values by Column Ordered to generate a report for all columns showing their unique values and their frequency. This report can highlight issues immediately and can be exported and shared with colleagues. Click on the icon to the left of Columns to view the column summary for this table. I will hide the Explorer to let you see more. A mass of useful information has been derived for each column, allowing you to quickly judge the data quality and find issues. The data quality dimensions of uniqueness and completeness are provided for each column, as well as the number of missing values, the minimum and maximum values, the longest and shortest, the most and least frequent, the number of different data formats, and so on. In fact, there are over 170 different pre-calculated statistics to choose from. Now we will use the Explorer and drill-down windows to look at the detailed column profile information. Click on Columns, then the name of the column which interests you, and finally on Profile. Click on the icon to the left of each profile statistic to drill down to the underlying rows. For example, click on Nulls to see the rows which have no first order date. Click on Unique Values to see all the values for the column, with their frequency and various other statistics. Click on a heading in the drill down to sort that column. Click again to reverse sort. We see that the most frequent value in this column is an alphanumeric value which has the format of a date. Double-click the value to drill down instantly to the associated rows of data. Or select several values, then right-click and drill down to the rows containing these values. Pandora automatically calculates a format for each value, showing alphabetic characters as A, digits as 9, spaces as S, and so on. Click on Unique Formats to see the various formats of data which exist in the column. In this example, there are 3 formats, 2 of which are alphanumeric and 1 a date. The valid dates account for almost 98% of the data. Double-click on a format to see the associated values, then drill down on the values themselves to see the rows where they occur. You have now learned how to perform automatic data profiling and study the results using X88 Pandora. Please refer to the integrated product documentation for more details and worked examples. In the next video, you will learn how to interactively investigate your data, document your findings, and perform ad hoc data profiling.